Hello guys, ito na yung yung part 3 na pinaalsa ko na yung cinnamon buns. Ilalagay ko na ito sa pinaalsa ko ng 20 minutes. Ilalagay ko na ito sa sa oven. Ayan na siya. Pero bago ko ilagay sa oven, kailangan magbati muna ako ng itlog. Parang glaze niya yan, yung itlog, babatihin ko muna. Isang itlog yun. Pagkatapos, i-brush ko dito sa sa cinnamon bun. Brush ko siya. Yan. Yan siya, brush ko yan. Yan. Ayan. Ayan. Pagkatapos ko siyang i-brush, meron silang powder, hindi naman to sobrang powder na asukal. Ayan siya, yung medyo ng konti, bubo ng konti. Yun ang linalagay dito sa itaas ng cinnamon bun. Ito talaga, kagaya ng sabi ko sa inyo, ito yung talagang original nila na Pero may mga sila, linalagay din dito yung iba na kung ng mga linalagay, kahit yung sa ice cream, linalagay nila dito sa para sa mga bata, para makulay tingnan. To, asukal ito na parang hindi naman siya powder kasi parang medyo buo-buo din siya. Ayan. Medyo buo-buo siya. Yan, lagay lang siya dyan sa itaas. Lalagay lang yan siya dyan. Sa itaas ng cinnamon bun. Ito, lagay lang siya ganyan. Tapos ilalagay ko na to sa sa oven, guys. Ilalagay ko to sa oven, 250 sa oven, 8 minutes. 8 minutes siya. Ilalagay ko sa sa oven. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Yan na siya guys. Nasa oven na. 8 minutes. Sasara natin. Yan. Usap muna tayo guys. Usap-usap. 8 minutes yun na iaano natin yung ilalagay doon. Usap-usap muna tayo. Usap muna tayo. Sige. Babasahin ko to sa inyo. Cinnamon roll or bun. Cinnamon bun or cinnamon swirl. Yung mga tawag niya nito. Sa Danish, cinnamon Danish or cinnamon snail. Yung ano niya, place of origin, Sweden and Denmark. Main ingredients is flour, cinnamon, sugar, and butter. Cinnamon roll, also called it as cinnamon bun, cinnamon swirl, cinnamon Danish, and cinnamon snail, is a sweet roll served commonly in Northern Europe, mainly in Scandinavia. The Scandinavian countries is Sweden, Denmark, and Norway. And North America, nakalagay dito na yun ang cinnamon roll served commonly in Northern Europe, Scandinavia, and North America. Kagaya ng sabi ko sa inyo, yung Scandinavian countries is Sweden, Denmark, and Norway. It is called kanelbulle in Sweden, and Denmark. It is known as kanelsnigge. In Norway, it is known as kanelbulle or fyllingsboller and kanelsnor. And in Finland, it is known as korvapusti. Hindi ko alam kung gano'n ang pag-pronounce nila doon. A cinnamon roll consists of a rolled sheet of yeast leavened dough unto which cinnamon and sugar mixture and resin or other ingredients in some cases is sprinkled over a thin coat of butter. The dough is then rolled, cut into individual portions and baked or deep fried. Its main ingredients are flour, cinnamon, sugar, and butter, which provide a robust and sweet flavor. Origin. As Roman spice traders introduced the Sri Lankan cinnamon spice to Europe. Much later, Sweden began using it in its pastries and developing the kanelbulle or cinnamon bun since 1999. October 4th has been promoted as Cinnamon Roll Day or Kanelbullens Dag. Kanelbulle ang tawag nila sa isa lang o kanelbullar sa marami. Swedish kanelbulle dough typically also contains cardamom powder or buds, giving it a distinctive flavor. The size of a cinnamon roll varies from place to place, but many vendors supply a smaller size, about 5 centimeters in the diameter, and a larger size about 10 centimeter to a side. The larger variety can be found in Finland called korvapuisti. A cough or the air, ang ibig sabihin. pulling someone to disciplining, yung parang pinipingot yung yung tainga, where it can be up to 20 centimeter in diameter and weigh up to 200 grams. Haga, a district in Gothenburg, that is the second biggest city in Sweden, Gothenburg, is known for its very large cinnamon rolls. These cinnamon rolls are called hagabular or queen of the kitchen. Hagabular are usually 30 centimeters or more in diameter and are, despite their size, not considered a communal roll. Each person usually orders one each. Swedes use pearl sugar to top their cinnamon pastries, not icing, as is common in North America. O kasi sa Amerika sila icing sila. National variation: the Swedish butter coca and Finnish Boston cake or butter cake in Sweden is a cake made by baking cinnamon rolls in round cake pan instead of baking them separately so that they stick together to form a large round cake. A German variety which closely follows the form of Scandinavian pastry originating in Hamburg and its surroundings is the Franzbrötchen, a cinnamon pastry inspired by the non-cinnamon French croissant. The British version is called Chelsea bun, which they invented in the 18th century. It is now available in cafes, supermarkets, and bakeries across the United Kingdom. American cinnamon rolls are frequently topped with icing, usually confectioner's sugar based, and are sometimes fried, finished with glaze, and served as variation of the wrist donut. There are also regional combinations in the American Midwest, especially Kansas. Cinnamon rolls are commonly eaten with chili. In Canada, they are known as cinnamon buns. They are usually self-glazed and not iced, nor they usually have raisins. They can have so many cinnamon that they are spicy and hot to the taste. Cinnamon roll tradition. In Sweden and Finland, cinnamon rolls are traditionally enjoyed during a coffee break or fika. Yeah, we call it fika here, which is get together with friends. National Cinnamon Bun Day is observed on the 4th in Sweden of October. In North America, it is commonly eaten to breakfast or dessert. When eaten for a breakfast in the US, it may be served with cream cheese frosting. Yun ang ko sa inyo ng tungkol sa cinnamon bun. Tingnan natin yung yung cinnamon dito, medyo na siya, umaalsa na. Medyo naluluto na siya, mga ilang minuto na lang parang maluluto na siya. Ayan na siya, friends. Ayan. Sana magustuhan nyo itong binik kong cinnamon roll or cinnamon buns. Ayan na, ilang minuto na lang maluluto na siya. Maraming salamat ulit sa pagpanood.